Arezzo is home to one of the most important fresco cycles of the Italian Renaissance. It's called the Legend of the True Cross and was painted in the middle of the 15th century by the great Piero della Francesca. The fresco cycle is located in the high chapel of the late 13th century Basilica of San Francesco, and that chapel was originally owned by a family named Bracci. The frescoes tell the story of the wood from which the cross of Christ was allegedly made, a story that begins all the way back in the Garden of Eden, that then moves to the visit of the Queen of Sheba to King Solomon, to its eventual rediscovery by the mother of Constantine, named Saint Helen, and eventually how Constantine himself would use that cross as revealed to him in a dream to overcome the incumbent emperor Maxentius at the famous Battle of the Milvian Bridge. And Piero tells the story as only he could, combining his knowledge of mathematics, his sublime appreciation of beauty, and his use of this sort of mystical light to create an ambiance which is unique to the history of art. And remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here in Italy and publishing weekly.